Are you trying to optimize your raw material costs without compromising product durability? Choosing between Anatase and Rutile TiO2 often comes down to two factors: outdoor exposure and tinting shade requirements. You should choose Rutile TiO2 whenever your products face sunlight, such as automotive coatings, exterior paints, or outdoor PVC profiles, because its higher refractive index of 2.71 provides superior hiding power and weather resistance. On the other hand, switch to Anatase TiO2 for indoor applications like interior paints, papermaking, or textiles, where high whiteness with a clean blue undertone is required on a tighter budget. At Liangjiang Titanium, we operate dedicated production lines for both Rutile and Anatase grades to help you achieve the ideal balance between performance and cost. Which TiO2 grade are you currently using for your formulations? Share your application in the comments below, or DM us directly to get a tailored cost-performance analysis.